Choosing OAKLEY COURT means embracing a lifestyle to unparalleled opportunity and innovation in real estate. Here is why OAKLEY stand out. In the heart of our city, Lagos, and amidst the chaos of urban life, there existed a vision that sought to redefine the very essence of real estate and to transform dreams into reality, a heaven where aspiration could flourish. I will give you 7 reasons why you should choose OAKLEY COURT from the rest. 1. Discounted entry price. Why others are selling 300 square meter in the same location for 60 million naira above, we are starting at the same size for just 25 million naira. Wait, that is not all. These include the cost of your survey, your documentation, and development levy. This takes the hassle of unexpected future expenses. 2. Flexibility. Whether you are an aspiring homeowner or a savvy investor, OAKLEY COURT offers you the flexibility to tailor your investment strategy to your specific goals. Build now, hold for future appreciation, or exploit rental opportunity. The choice is yours. 3. Serenity. In OAKLEY COURT, the permissible standard is a minimum of 300 square meter per dwelling unit. This will ensure that serenity is achieved and sustained, at the same time curbing overpopulation. This will ensure the growth in price and return on your investments. 4. Location. OAKLEY COURT presents the perfect balance of urban convenience and natural tranquility. Located just a few hundred meters off the Lekki Expressway, you enjoy access road and privacy at the same time. 5th, title. The root title is Certificate of Occupancy, C of O. 6. Personalization. At OAKLEY COURT, we understand that your dream home is as unique as you are. So we are giving you the freedom to design, build a home that reflects your personality, your preference, and your lifestyle. 7. Investment potential. With the real estate on the rise, OAKLEY COURT presents an enticing investment opportunity. Benefit from the potential capital appreciation and rental income while enjoying the security and stability that comes with home ownership. In all, OAKLEY COURT isn't just a property investment, it is a lifestyle choice. Embrace the freedom to create, the potential to prosper, and the opportunity to belong. Choose OAKLEY COURT today and embark on the journey towards a future as unique and extraordinary as you are. My name is Peculiar. Our team of experienced professionals are dedicated to guiding you every step of your OAKLEY journey. Give us a call to get started. Thank you.